Look at these guys already relaxing.
We're camping here tonight.
Yeah?
We're gonna pitch it here.
You got the cat. And there's Chobi. Hi, Chobi.
Hey, you guys.
Hi.
How are you? Yeah.
Look at that cutie.
Isn't he something else?
He is. Scaring the pee right out of him.
I know.
Rudy.
Oh, that's ours.
And that's Luna.
Luna.
Yeah.
Luna.
Yeah.
Does Luna like these? You know, she hasn't really been around much. Yeah, so yeah, she's used to dogs. Oh, that's great.
So you guys haven't really had to wait that long, right?
No, 20 minutes maybe?
That's not bad.
Yeah.
All right.
I knew you'd catch up to it.
Yeah. Well,
An hour before you.
I wasn't really moving that fast. I was doing like maybe 70, and then all of a sudden I had a semi behind, like wanting to pass me, and I realized, oh, it's 75 now.
Yeah.
So then I kicked it up a gear. Yeah. Look at those new meats on the Toyota. Wow, those are nice. You're gonna get
It
to.
don't look like that.
Gracie.
No, you should see mine.
Isn't she pretty cool? It's cucumber with all these dogs. Yeah. Well, my son Kevin has 2 dogs. Right.
Okay, well, basically what we did was we got a little later start because John, driving the older Toyota, is a little slower, so he figured he'd take off. And, you know, it worked out really well. So here we are. We're going to make a little lunch and let the dogs get to know each other. And then we're heading off on the trail towards the north rim of the Grand Canyon. All right, so basically we gassed up at Glendale, Nevada. And we're basically following John right now and Lisa, his wife. They're traveling in 2 vehicles. John's got like a 1987 modified Toyota pickup truck. And Lisa's in, I want to say a 2015 JK. And we're heading to the trail that's going to take us over the Virgin River. And then we're going to head down the Virgin River a little south, and the 15 right now. So basically that's it. And we're just going to hopefully, it's 2 o'clock right now. We're hoping to make some good trail time before we have to stop and make camp. Yeah, it is. What do you think?
It's not too hot either. Yummy. Yummy.
Hey, dude.
I caught a big soft shell turtle in this river. It was like that big. I almost want to jump in it.
My glasses, I can't see anything in there. It's just a black screen, so. You are something. Oh, sorry, Chubby.
Oh, there we go. She.
What does Kumon mean? Doesn't it mean something?
What?
Kumon? Is that what their name is?
No, it's Luna.
Luna. Oh, Luna. Oh, sorry. Luna. Does that mean something? Like moon?
Yes, moon.
Okay.
How you feeling, Luna? Pretty darn good. Water dogs.
Muddy dogs. Muddy dogs.
Get in the truck, go.
I think it's time to air down. We just finished airing down. We finally hit some dirt. And then there's this that you can see. Perfect day for shorts. We got to wade in some water in the Virgin River. And now we're gonna continue on down the trail. Look for a nice camp spot for tonight.
She's scuffing her knuckles up.
Yeah.
See the little spots?
Yep.
Because she drags her feet.
I got you. Oops, you're missing. Wait. You gotta get over there. Okay, I got you, girl.
Let's see what Muzzy's doing over here. Oh, the trash. There's the beasties. Buddy, there he is. Well, we just crossed into Arizona, and what is it? It's about a little after 4, about 4:15. I actually don't know what time sunset is. I would guess it's sometime around 6:30. Beautiful vistas. The weather's great. I think the temp in my vehicle at the moment is 86 degrees. Yeah, dogs are happy. They got to go swim. They got to run around the desert. I think, Muzzy.
Oh, it's glorious out here. Yeah. We are in the Grand Canyon.
In the next video, we continue down the trail to a secret camp location along the north rim of the Grand Canyon. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you'd like to be notified of the next video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. see you down the trail.